Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through Deanonymizer, Highperformr AI's website visitor tracking agent. Deanonymizer works by generating a lightweight tracking script that you install on your website. Once it's active, Highperformr AI begins capturing website visitor activity and mapping traffic back to verified companies. What would normally be anonymous page views now become actionable insights, your first line of visibility into in-market accounts. To set it up, open the left menu and go to Settings and click Website Tracker. In the field labeled domain or pages you want to track, enter the main domain or any specific URLs you'd like to monitor. Then click Add Domains and Generate Script. Highperformr AI will create a unique script under Get Tracking Script. You can click Copy Script to copy it directly or choose Email Script to send it to your web developer. This code needs to be placed in your website's header so it loads across all pages. Once the script is installed, it's important to verify its functionality. Click Test and Verify Script and Highperformr AI will confirm if tracking is active. This ensures that visitor activity is being recorded correctly from the start. Each account comes with a monthly visitor tracking limit, and visitor records consume credits based on volume or traffic. For instance, tracking 500 visitors may use about 12,500 credits. You can always monitor usage and adjust limits under Settings. After your script is live and verified, head over to See Website Visits. Here, you'll find a real-time feed of engaged companies, including how often they visit, how long they stay, and which pages they explored. The real power of Deanonymizer comes from how it integrates with your other GTM agents on Highperformr AI. Prospector automatically identifies ICP contacts within visiting companies, while Engager flags warm accounts, prioritizes them, and suggests next steps. Together, these agents reduce hours of manual research into just minutes, moving high-intent leads straight into your pipeline workflows. That's Deanonymizer. For any questions, you can always reach out to us at teams@highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.